In this video, I will show you how to download TEMU on your computer or laptop. TEMU is a shopping app where you can buy low-priced products online. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge. After opening Microsoft Edge, search TEMU.com. And here click the link so you can open the website. Then you're going to go to the top right and click these three dots. Then go to More Tools and go to Apps. And here click Install TEMU. And here again click Install. And this is how you can install TEMU on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.